Hello everyone, welcome back to Gourmet Aroma AI. Today we are diving into one of my all-time favorite comfort foods, white sauce pasta. Creamy, cheesy and irresistibly delicious, this dish is a crowd pleasure that you can whip up into time. Let's get started. Here's what you will need for this recipe. I give to the description box all the details. Please check that the description box and you can find all the details of this recipe. Now in a pan I heat the milk. In a milk I have a use bouquet garni. So I used to the 2 slice of onion, clove de olor and bay leaves and add the inside the milk. It's make a flavor more delicious. Now in a pan heat the butter and olive oil together. The olive oil prevents the butter from burning. Butter melts. Next add the flour and stir continuously for about a minute. This is called making a roux, and it ensures there's no raw flour taste in this sauce. Add slowly the warm milk while whisking continuously. This helps avoid lumps and create a smooth base. Once the sauce thickens, season it with salt, black pepper and a pinch of nutmeg. Trust me, the nutmeg elevates the flavor beautifully. Now I check the sauce for a thickness, how is consistence. So this type of consistent need to have a sauce thicken. So my sauce is almost ready. Keep aside in the pan, and now I heat the water for a boiling the pasta. I add some salt and oil. Now I cover up the pan and waiting for the water boiling. Heat the another pan, add your veggies and saute it oilly. In the same moment, my another pan, the water is already boiling. So now I add the pasta penne. Now I add the garlic paste and mix well. Now I add the bacon and saute it very well. Add the sweet corn and mix together. Add the salt, black pepper and chili flakes. Mix well together. Added the white sauce or bechamel and toss very well. Now I will be check my pasta is ready or not. Need to have a pasta al dente. So my pasta is ready. I add the pasta into the sauce and toss very well together. Now I added more white sauce or bechamel sauce and give it a good toss to coat every pieces evenly. Now I add to the sprinkle of oregano, salt, black pepper and mix well. Now I add the grated parmesan cheese, the cheese until it melts into the sauce, making it creamy and luscious. Finally, I add the sprinkle of parsley and saute very well together. This creamy, dreamy white sauce pasta is perfect for a cozy dinner or even a special occasion. So ready our pasta. Finally plate our pasta and garnish it with fresh parsley and Parmesan cheese. It's so rich, so comforting and so easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing recipes and culinary adventures. See you next time.